the video for the mechanical repairs that have been accomplished on this car by us, the previous owner. Most of all the work was done by us. The air suspension was rebuilt by us. New main valve, airbags front and rear, complete. All the decals were put on. The engine bay was highly detailed. Most of it, items were removed. Base coat, clear coat was painted on there. All the decals are correct on the engine. Air conditioning also, new receiver dryer. And a couple of hoses I believe were changed on it. Let's look at the repair order. Most of the items have zinc plating, yellow zinc. We can no longer cadmium plate. Batteries brand new Mercedes-Benz. Injection pump was redone. Injectors were redone on it. Cold start system redone. New thermals. Cold start valves rebuilt. Water pump was changed. Timing chain done. Ball studs and rocker arms were inspected. All within spec. All hoses were changed. Likewise, distributor rebuilt. Coils original. Bar steering pump, air compressor redone. New fuel filter. Anti-freeze device down there. Redone. Foot pump work. Sprayer nozzles were adjusted. New hoses for the windshield washer. All the relay covers were inflated. All the fuses were changed in the engine bay. We tried to make this all original, to the original specification as when the car came from the factory. It's denoted by the Aeroquip 8540 hoses. Green mark. Plant done in the factory at the same time. Belts are all excellent. Original Mercedes-Benz part number. On that, we just going to change that. Alternator is new. No leaks. Cylinder head gaskets were done on this car, previous owner. We did change the valve cover seal. Radiator was clean. Air cooler is original. Condenser was changed. AC condenser had a small leak in it. Auxiliary fan worked properly. Air conditioning was properly. Fanfare horns worked correctly. And regular tone horns as well. The hood mechanism latch was rebuilt. And as mentioned before, all rubber hoses were changed. Spark plugs were changed. Spark plug wires changed. They are not to the original green numbers, but they are much better than the original barrel wires that came with this car.